in merch.
And today we are going to be doing our daily bloxburg routine.
Yes!
So, shall we get into this video, Marshall?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so let's go. Pause it.
Katie,
Hey, yeah?
it's time to make our video.
Already? But I'm exhausted from yesterday's video.
It's 6. We woke up an hour late.
Okay, let me just make my bed. And then I have to do the laundry.
I'll go and start making breakfast.
No, you need to get ready for the day, remember?
Yeah, I guess I'll do
Because
it.
you just have our video today. You have that meeting.
Oh yeah, after the video, I have that job meeting, I remember.
Yeah, so I'll make breakfast and then we can record our video.
Hang on. I need
If
some.
you want to come accompany me while I'm doing the laundry, you can.
No, I need to go do something.
Okay. You should probably brush your teeth. Your breath stinks. What'd you eat? A dragon? I'm putting the clothes in the dryer. What's this job meeting for again?
Mike's Motors.
Oh, yeah.
Remember,
Because YouTube's not paying us enough.
Yeah, so we need spare
Or should
job.
I say blocks too?
But I'm taking a shower, so.
Okay, I'm gonna iron our clothes.
Wait, you bought an ironing board?
Yeah, I bought one yesterday when we went to Bloxmart.
When you went to Target? No, yeah, Bloxmart. I'm coming. I want to watch you.
Oh, I already did. I'm putting my clothes away in my closet now.
How did you get enough?
What do you mean?
How did you get enough money for that?
I
yeah,
saved
that's
up
right.
in my bank
That's
account.
right. And
Okay, I'm gonna make breakfast now.
And
if you wanna go sit at the, if
Yeah.
you wanna go brush your teeth.
I did. Remember Aunt Maryland bought us, gave you $500 for your birthday?
Yeah, but you kinda left the door open.
What door? Oh God! I hope no mosquitoes got in. Ooh, I should turn on my spotlights, shouldn't I?
So the mosquitoes won't get in. Those are like mosquito away lights, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bought those with the money you got because we had a lot of mosquitoes.
Yeah, I got bucks, and I got a few bucks.
Yeah.
I got some B-bucks and I got some bucks. And the chips are still sticking out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Is your little niece coming over today, or is that next week?
I think that's next week.
Oh, okay. Here, don't eat yet, though. I'm not done.
Yeah.
Okay, breakfast is done. Come on and eat.
Yay! What are we having?
Pancakes.
Oh, I thought you were about. That looked like cake. Is this water or is this milk?
Milk.
That looked good.
Yeah, we need new milk. That's expired tomorrow.
Oh my God. Yeah, I should go buy some today.
It's okay. I'll go to. Yeah, you have to go to the store later after your meeting.
Yeah. Anyways.
Yeah. You should probably go to Bloxburg.
Yeah, but I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I have to go to my meeting.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you in a little.
See you in a little bit.
I'm leaving you the car. I'm taking my skateboard.
Okay.
Just in case you need to go to Bloxburg and get some food.
I'm gonna go to bloxburg, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good meeting.
You too.
I don't have a meeting.
Well, no duh.
Then why'd you say you too?
Okay, on our way to my meeting, Mike Smokers. I don't want to go to Nomburger or the, what do you call it, Pizza Planet. I want to go Mike Smokers. Okay, I'll see you in a little. I'm at the place where my meeting is.
Okay, call you later.
Call you later. Beep.
Bye.
Beep. Bye. Beep. Hey, sir. I'm here for a meeting for the employee. Oh, yes. Right this way, sir. Okay. Why do you want this job? I really need money for my house. YouTube doesn't pay very well for me. I'm not that good of a YouTuber. Yeah, I'll subscribe if you want. Just tell me your YouTube channel. It's Katie and Marsh Fun Videos. Okay, I'll make sure to subscribe. Cool. Okay, second question. Do you have any experience taking classes or doing an actual mechanic job? I've taken a class on it, but no, I haven't had a job. Okay. How good are you with cars on a scale of 1 to a trillion? 500 billion. Cool. You have the job. Woohoo! Oh, hey, Katie.
Oh, hey.
Were you stalking me during my meeting?
No, I was dancing to the store's music.
I didn't even know the store had music.
They do now.
Good for you. I can't hear them. Okay, let's do my job.
You should probably go home. Do you want to take the car home with you?
Oh, hi! Please give me green.
You're working right now?
Yeah. I'm only doing one job, though.
Okay.
Done. Work.
Whoops.
Howdy. Howdy. Let's cash out my check. Where's the car? Where's the car?
Stuck?
Where's it stuck?
Inside.
Oh, don't worry. I can get that out. I can get that out. Bing.
Okay, I'll
bing.
meet you home.
What, you think you're
We
gonna...
still need to record our video.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Oh, I have to get back and do the laundry. Crap.
So we can record the video.
I need to get back and do laundry.
Yeah, let's pause the vlog right now. So we can get some of that stuff done before we start recording.
Okay. Okay, I gotta go
We
do...
finally made it home, but you have to do laundry still, right?
Yeah, I guess we'll hold off on our video today.
Yeah, we're gonna record
Wait,
tomorrow.
today's Saturday. We don't even record on Saturday.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. All this YouTube and extra job stuff was making us lose our minds. Well, after Mark is done doing his laundry, we are going to probably end this vlog for today so we can edit it, and yeah.
Well, we still gotta go to sleep and eat dinner and stuff. Probably after.
True, I'll go make dinner right now.
Yeah. Come on, dry stupid clothes.
We're having salad for dinner.
Got it. I'm ironing.
We're having salad from the bank for dinner.
Oh, really? That stuff's old. Wait, no, it's not.
It's fresh. I made it this morning. Trust me, I made it this morning. It's safe to eat.
Do you need clothes or do you need clothes?
What?
Do you need clothes?
Clothes?
Yeah, because there's some of your clothes are in here. No, it is your clothes.
No, I washed my clothes this morning.
Oh yeah, they're my clothes. I just realized because remember I did that.
Why do your clothes look like my clothes?
Because remember I did that cheerleading prank.
Oh yeah, where you switched our clothes.
Yeah, so you wore mine and I wore yours.
Yeah, you learned to never do that again, didn't you?
Yeah, I had a lot of laughs. Maybe I was embarrassed.
Yeah, and I made my outfit look super cute. So I'm just gonna prepare dinner here. Do not eat yet. It's not done.
I almost ate. Oh, my leg!
Are you okay? Did you stub your toe on the chair again?
Yep. Oh, is dinner done?
Okay, we can sit.
Hang on, don't eat yet. Let's have a competition. 3, 2, 1, go. We both have done.